uh, what must be subtracted from 16x cubed minus 8x squared plus 4x plus 7 so that the resulting expression has 2x plus 1 as a factor? The question had appeared in the ICSE 2017 board examination. There's a number that has to be subtracted from the given polynomial or the given expression. So let's start by assuming a value for that. So I can say let the number to be subtracted, since it's an unknown, let's consider it to be the variable k. Let the number to be subtracted, let's use a different color. Let the number to be subtracted be k, right? Now let's mark out our polynomials. I can say therefore f of x, right, is equal to 16x cubed minus 8x squared plus 4x plus 7, that is already given to us, minus the value which we have taken as k, right? That is our f of x, and says that the resulting expression has 2x plus 1 as a factor. So our divisor is basically 2x plus 1, and we can start by saying let our divisor, which is 2x plus 1, be equal to 0. This gives us a value of x. If I rearrange this equation, I can say x is equal to minus half, right? Plus 1 to the other side is minus 1 upon 2. So I have the value of x is minus 1. Now remember, they've told us that 2x plus 1 is a factor, right, of f of x, right? 2 is a factor. And how do I use this information now? So if something is a factor, right, I can say that the remainder in this case, right, which is going to be equal to f of what is it, minus half, the remainder, which is in this case f of minus half, and since it's a factor, the remainder will be equal to 0. So let's do the needful substitutions, right? We have 16x cubed, so that is 16 into minus half cube minus 8x squared, so 8 minus half square plus 4x, so 4 into minus half, right, plus 7 minus k, and this entire value is equal to 0 because it's a factor, so the value of the remainder should be equal to 0, right? So we've got our equation with k as the only unknown. If we solve it, we should end up with the value, rather the answer for k. So let's do the needful here. 16 into minus half cube, the cube of that is so let's just write it down. So it's going to be 16 into minus 1 by 8 minus 8 into 1 by 4 square of half, 4 into 2, so 2 1s are 2 2s are, and minus 1 into 2 will make it minus 2 plus 7 minus k, and the entire thing is equal to 0. So solving this further, I can see here that the 8 can get cancelled here. 8 1s are 8 2s are, 4 1s are 4 2s are. So let's write them down again. So simplify this. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 1, so minus 2 plus 7 minus k. And the entire thing is equal to 0. There we have it. We almost have the value now. So minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 6 plus 7 is 1. So 1 minus k is equal to 0. Rearrange this equation and you'll get k is equal to 1. So our final answer statement now. What number must be subtracted? The value to be subtracted, is 1. That's our final answer in a rectangle, pink rectangle.